Hey y'all, welcome back. I don't even have I'm not even ready for the intro because I am so pumped right now. Let me get ready for this intro. Happy Sunday, happy craft day. I'm so glad y'all are back here crafting with me. Today we are going to be sublimating blank white 20-ounce tumblers using your heat press cup press. And we are going to go from this to this. Like, y'all, I am so just amazed that this came out so good. Even like the seam came out good, everything came out good. So stay tuned if you want to see how to sublimate your tumblers if you do not have a toaster oven. All right, thanks for coming back again. Every crafter needs their superhero kit. All right, you guys, I don't know why I'm like this. You guys already know I always make a mistake. Should have practiced. Last time I got comfortable, I did the test round, it worked out well, and I was like, yes, yes. I got too comfortable. Anywho, I printed it. The Cricut Maker won't let you print it in that, so I had to put it onto my Pages platform. So if you're using a Pro, put it on Pages or your Microsoft Word, and then it's just 9.5 times 8.2 if you have a 20-ounce tumbler. But luckily, this one came out perfectly. Oh, that's what I didn't do here. You need to put it on landscape, not portrait, when you go to print. So that way it'll print the whole thing. So now we're going to get out the tumblers and we're going to put this on there. So I ordered this huge box of tumbler cups all the way from China. So I have, the muscles just left me. So now I have to open this on my own. No pressure. Oh. Babe. It's fine. I'm not crying. Babe? I'm gonna have to sit crisscross applesauce for this one, you guys. Oh my gosh, what kind of tape is this? Well, backstory, I ordered these all the way from China, and literally it probably took about a good 45 days, even though I paid for expedited shipping because the lots went down. It came via, do you have your thing on you? Yeah. It came via the boat, like a ship, and I did not even know that was a thing. Because remember when I ordered this huge box of testers? So I ordered from the same company. I got the testers in like 20 days, and I was like, perfect. And then when I ordered this huge thing, they were like, oh, actually, we shipped the like testers via plane, but these come via ocean. I don't know what the correct terminology is for that. Can you open it for me? Matthew's avoiding the video. Are you avoiding the video, Ben?
No.
Thank you. So yeah, so now I have this, whoa, amazing box full of tumblers that came, oh, I guess I'll use it. That's a bummer because some of the boxes are a little messed up in here. Like that. It's not too bad. But they came all individually wrapped, which is kind of cool because like if you want to sell them, then you don't have to worry about getting packaging, which when I sold the glittered wine glass, I had to find my own packaging for it. So like that was a little annoying. But yeah, with this it already comes packaged. So I'm going to keep the box and the bubble wrap. Also random, I was debating if I should just sell some blanks on my Etsy store, because I was thinking I could sell the cups, the boxes, and then I also have the shrink wrap that goes around them. I ordered the shrink wrap from another company, but I have both of those, so then they're already like sublimation ready and you have the shrink wrap. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys want for me to sell some of these blank tumblers in my Etsy store, because if so, I will put them on there, and yeah, I would love for you to have them. So yeah, here's our cup. Let's get our image put onto our cup. So I'm just trialing out, making sure that the image is going to be long enough, and it is. So I'm going to use this, I don't even know what it's called, so I can get a straight cut. Oh no.
Is it tearing the paper?
No, I just messed it up.
Oh Lord.
It's okay. It's fine. Gotta make a mistake on one of them, right? And then I need my heat press tape. I really gotta get a tape dispenser. Okay, since I don't have a tape dispenser yet, so I'm trying to find a pink one. I just have to make do. I'm gonna see. You have to make your image as tight as possible on, oh no, on your thing. And I'm glad that I just had that imperfection on there, because that just reminded me to wipe it down with alcohol. Now you want to make it as tight as possible. And so what I'm going to do is take a piece of tape right over here on this side and crank it in just to help me hold it right there. And remember, you want this to be as tight as possible. Uh-oh. Okay. Now I'm taking the edge of the tape, the edge of the paper, and I am going to just put the tape on there and fold it under. And I'm going to come to the bottom, take a piece of tape, put it on the edge, fold it over. And I have a couple more pieces. I'm going to try to just take them, bring them around, take it, bring it around, pulling, take it, and bring it around. Piece of tape on the seam. This is kind of an experiment, you guys, because since I'm putting the, I I don't even know what it's called, the wrapping paper thing on it. I'm gonna see about, I'm not gonna put as much tape all over it because the shrink wrap paper is supposed to shrink onto the cup and onto the paper. So if you have the shrink wrap, it's supposed to save you from having to put all of the tape all over everywhere. It just looks like a lunch bag. Well, with a hole at the end. Oh gosh. Crafting for beginners. Okay. So now I have to borrow the heat gun so I can try to shrink this on here. You might see Matthew's hands. I actually don't know how good I'm gonna be at that. You ready, baby? Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all, this was my first time doing the shrink wrap and the heat gun. So my advice would be to shrink wrap them, or use the heat gun on the shrink wrap in the middle of the tumbler cup. And then once you get it all shrink wrapped in the middle, then I would do the top and the bottom and shrink wrap those pieces in. The way that you know that your shrink wrap is good is that there should be no more lines within your plastic. I'm putting parchment paper around it. I'm not sure if I need to or not, but better safe than sorry. And then I'm going to try to line the cup up halfway because I'm going to do the first half and then the second half. I'm going to start with this with the seam facing up. So here we go. You're going to want to set your heat press to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to put your tumbler cup in halfway with your seam side facing up, and you're going to heat press it for 70 seconds. You're going to rotate it so that the seam is then on the bottom, and you're going to heat press that for 70 seconds. Then you're going to flip it seam side up, and you're going to press the other half for 70 seconds, and then you're going to rotate it again and have the seam on the bottom of the other half and heat press that for 70 seconds. After that, your tumbler will be complete. Now I'm just wiping it down with alcohol. You guys, yeah, it's not even hot anymore. I cannot believe this. Like, what? Hold on, I think it's still zoomed in, so let me put it over here. Can you see it? Like, I am literally so shook right now. Like, thank you, God, for putting this talent inside of me, blessing me with an amazing man who supports me, and family who supports me too, because I'm pretty sure in some way my mom has contributed to this. My sisters forever praise, even when I don't deserve it. And a son who's always willing to record as well. But like, I cannot believe it, y'all. If I could show you, I don't even know. Like, all right, there we have it, party people. We are now officially sublimation tumbler makers. And if you only have a small heat press, like cup heat press like I do, don't worry about buying a toaster oven. Just do the 380 in 70 seconds, half, and then like each side. Oh, I'm pumped. I gotta FaceTime somebody. You can literally, I don't know if it's gonna be too close. Let me see if it'll pick it up. Can you zoom it out some, please, baby? No. If you look here, you can see there's a water drip on the picture, and you can literally even see it on there. There's one small imperfection right here on the S. It doesn't look that bad, but you know how when you make your own thing, you notice it. But yeah, these are peonies, and I just think this is the cutest cup ever, and I'm just so happy. And also, you guys, I know I've said this 1,000 times, but like, look at that seam. It's literally perfect. Like, what in the world? We did it. Sorry, that's Tiger's tail shaking the camera. What would my life be if it wasn't something crazy? Hey guys, I'm just shook. What? I feel like I just like won an award. Like, this is the best part of crafting, when it all comes together and you're just like, hallelujah. So yeah, let me know if you guys end up making a tumbler, how it works out for you. Also, if you stayed this long and you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that way you don't miss an upload. I do upload twice a week. And also, if you guys want for me to sell these tumbler cups and the shrink wrap paper on my Etsy store, also let me know that and I will put those up. You guys have a lovely weekend and a lovely week, and I will see you next time. Bye.